Happy morning, my dear kids. Welcome to Elga Online Class. Today, we have to cover Unit 5 and Day 8. All the time, while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser, crayons along with you. Shall we go to the class, my dear kids? Yeah. Yesterday, we learnt some letter sounds, right? X, y, z, right? Today, shall we recall that? Yeah, now you will open your SR book. Okay, I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your SR book. See this. What is the sound of this letter? Shall we say some words? Yeah. Box. Box. Fox. Fox. X-ray. X-ray. Mix. Mix. Next, yolk. Yolk. Yarn. Yarn. Yellow. Yellow. York. York. Next, z, z, zip. Zip. Z, zoo. Zoo. Z, zero. Z, zero. Z, zigzag. Z, zigzag. Yes. One more time, my dear kids. You also repeat along with me. Box. Fox. X-ray. Mix. York. Yarn. Yellow. York. Next. Zip. Zoo. Zero. Zero. Zigzag. Zigzag. Right? So this sounds you have to practice in your home, my dear kids. Yes. Now shall we do an activity from these sounds? Are you ready, my dear kids? Yeah, as it is, you take a A4 sheet. You have to fold it into 4 sides. Okay. Then tear the paper. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. See this, my dear kids. You have to write the sounds. Yeah. Right? Are you ready? Yes. Yeah. Now, I will say a word. You will think of the beginning sound of that word. Okay? Then show me a letter of the beginning sound. Okay? Are you ready, my dear kids? Yes. Zero. 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 Yeah, I think what is the beginning sound of this word? Yes. Z, z. So you have to take this, right? Z, okay? Z. Great, my dear kids. Next. Yes. 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 Can you show me what is the beginning sound of that word? Which one, my dear kid? Yeah. This one, right? Great. Next. X-ray. 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 What is that? Can you guess it? Yeah, this one. Right? Yeah, very good, my dear kids. Now I will say you some example words. You have to do this activity in your home, okay? Yeah. Zebra. Zebra. Zib. Zib. York. 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 Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Okay? Do you remember? Do you understand, my dear kids? Yeah, great, my dear children. Next, I will teach you a whole word session. Today, we will be learning 6 new whole words. Are you ready? First of all, I will show you a flashcard. Okay? Yes. See this. Keep your finger like this, right? Left to right. We will read this word this like only. At. 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 Can you repeat along with me? At. At. There. 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 Can you repeat along with me? There. There. By. 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 Can you repeat along with me? By. Sit. 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 Can you repeat along with me? Sit. Sit. So. 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 Can you repeat along with me? So. Much. 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 Can you repeat along with me? Much. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now I will show you a CRL from the whole words. I will teach you some example sentences. At. 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 At a fair. At a fair. Look at it. Look at it. There. 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 There are ice creams. There are ice creams. There are rides. There are rides. Buy. 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 You can buy a toy. You can buy a toy. You can buy a balloon. You can buy a balloon. Sit. Sit. You can sit on a ride. You can sit on a ride. We sit on a chair. We sit on a chair. So. Fairs are so much fun. Fairs are so much fun. Is that so? Is that so? Next whole word. Much. Much. Fairs are so much fun. Fairs are so much fun. How much is it? How much is it? Yeah. Great, Kutima. Do you understand from this whole word session? Yeah. Now, shall we do one worksheet? Now, you will open your worksheet. Worksheet number 8. We will do question number 2. I will give you 5 seconds time. You will take your worksheet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your worksheet. See this. Second question we will do now, okay? Circle the words you hear. Circle the words you hear. Now we learned some whole words, right? Now I will say that whole word, just you hear. After that you have to circle this word here having means, okay? Shall I say now? Yeah. At. At. We're having. Yeah. Here. So you have to circle this word at. Okay. Next. Shall I say now? Are you ready? There. There. We're having, my dear kids. Can you guess it? Yeah. Here. You have to circle this word there. See this. There. After that. By. By. We're having. Yeah, here, first one. So you have to circle this word. Next, sit. Sit. We're having that word here. So you have to circle this word. Great. Shall I say the next one? So. So. We're having. Yeah, here. So you have to circle this. Next, much. Much. We are having here. You have to circle this. See this, Kutima. Buy, add, match, sit, that, so. So you have to complete your worksheet in your home, okay? Do you understand? Yeah, great. Yeah, great, Kutima. Next, I will teach you a reading and listening comprehension session, okay? Now, you will open your SR book, SR 12, at a fact story. Okay? I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. Before going to read this story, shall we recall the retell events of a story? Yes. See this, retell events of a story, right? Events are things that happen during the story. What will happen that story, right? Then, second one, when we read a story and tell what happened in the story. You have to read a story, after you have to tell what happened in the story. It is called retelling the events of a story, right? Yeah, we always tell what happened first, then next, after that, the end of the story. You have to use this way, okay, while you are reading a story, okay, my dear kids? Yeah. Next, shall we go? This one, at a fair. What is the story name? At a fair. See this, written by Pardesh Sharma. Illustrations, Kirti Benha. Next, first page. See the first page. Sanjay and Radha go to a fair. See this. Sanjay and Radha go to a fair. Again I read this. Sanjay and Radha go to a fair. Next page, my dear kids. There are balloons. There are balloons. You can buy a balloon. You can buy a balloon. Once again, there are balloons. You can buy a balloon. Do you know that balloon? What is meaning by balloon? See this? Yeah, balloon, right? See this? What is this? Ice cream. There are ice creams. Do you like ice creams, my dear kids? I also like. For this climate, you don't eat ice creams, okay? Yes. There are ice creams. You can eat an ice cream. You can eat an ice cream. Next page. See this? There are toys. There are toys. You can buy a toy. See this? My dear kids, you like toys, right? Yeah. There are toys. You can buy a toy. Next one. There is a music. See this? There is a music. There is music. You can dance to the music. You can dance to the music. See that? Once again, there is a music. You can dance to the music. See this? Ride. What is this? Ride. They are going a ride. I think so, playing, right? There are rides. You can sit on a ride. You can sit on a ride. See this? There are rides. You can sit on a ride, right? Yes. Next, fairs are so much fun. Fairs. Fairs means two, right? Fairs are so much fun. Fairs are so much fun. Yes. Yeah, from this story, shall we see the vocabulary words? Yeah, vocabulary words. Ride, 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 ride. Music, music, music. Ice creams, ice creams. Fair, fair. From this vocabulary word, I will show CRL, my dear kids. So from your book, you have to, when CRL word, vocabulary words coming, you have to touch that, okay? Point to the vocabulary words from your SR book. Are you ready? Yes. Fair, fair, fair. From your SR book, you have to touch the word, okay? Keep your finger. Fair, fair. Music, music, music. Did you see this word from your SR book? Yes. Music, music. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Did you see this word? Keep your fingers, my dear kids. Are you listening, my class? Yes. Ice cream, ice cream. Ride, ride, ride. Yeah, great, Kutima. Now I'll ask some questions from this story, right? Yeah. Who is in the story? Yeah, see this, a boy and girl in a story, right? Yes. Where do they go? They go to a fair. They go to a fair, right? Yeah. What all they do at the fair? What? Yeah. Balloons. They buy balloons, eat ice creams, buy a toy. And after, listen to your music and sit on rides, right? Yeah, great, Kutima. So from this story, you have to read in your home, okay? You have trouble means you have to ask your mom what is the word, okay? Great, Kutima. Great, my dear children. Next, I will teach you a grammar session, okay? What is the naming word? Do you know that? Yes. Yeah, person, place, animal or thing are called naming words. Can you say one example? Person. Great. Raju. Right? Place. E-road. What is that? E-road. Animal. Tiger. Tiger. Think. Thing's name? Needle. Right. Now I will recap that. See this naming word anchor chart. Person. Ragul. Animal. Dog. Place. Shop. Think. Drum. Right? Do you understand? Yeah. Naming words. Naming words are person, animal, place or thing is called naming words. Right? Great, my dear kids. Now, we will draw and label an example for each of the naming words category, okay? Now, I will show you your examples, okay? Person, place, animal and thing, okay? I will show some images. You will see that. See this, my dear kids. Person, Nita. Place, home, home. Animal, cat. Cat. Animal, cat. Thing, pot. Once again, person, a girl here having. After that, place, home. Animal, cat. Cat. Think, pot. Pot. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now you will open your notebook. You also draw in your home. Okay, one example for each one. Person, place, animal and thing. You have to draw one picture in your notebook. Okay. Draw neatly, my dear kids. Draw and label also. What you have to draw? So no person you have to draw, right? Give a label. Label means give a name to something, right? Animal. For example, you have to draw dog means, right? Dog. Place. What you draw a market means you have to write market. Okay, think. You have to draw a kite means you have to write kite. Okay, this is a example. So in your home, take your notebook. You have to draw and label your examples. Okay, draw and label the person, place, thing, animals. Okay, from this activity. Great, my dear kids. Next, I will teach you a writing and speaking expression session. Today, I will teach you a uppercase letters K, L, M, N, O and lowercase letters K, L, M, N and O. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. See this, my dear kids. First, I will teach you a uppercase letters K. What is that? K. K. Uppercase letter K. Uppercase letter K. K after L. Uppercase letter L. See this? Uppercase letter L. L after M. M. Uppercase letter M. M. What is that? Uppercase letter M. M. M after N. M after N. 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 Uppercase letter N. N after O. O. N after O. O. After that, lowercase letters. Lowercase letters K. 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 Lowercase letter K. Lowercase letter K. K after L. 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 L after M. M. L after M. Lowercase letter M. See this? Listen carefully. M. M. M after N. N. Lowercase letter N. Lowercase letter N. N after O. 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 Lowercase letter O. See this? Uppercase letter K. K. L. L. M. M. N. O. O. Next, lowercase letters K. L. M. M. N. O. Great, my dear children. Now you will open your worksheet number 8, page number 13. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your worksheet. See this. Write letters K and K, uppercase K and lowercase k. So you have to write this letter in your home. Take next page, worksheet number 9. See this, my dear kids. L, L, M, M, N, and O. O here not having, okay? So you have to complete this worksheet in your home. Okay, my dear kids? Yes, great. Yeah. From today's class, what we learned? Shall we revise to today's class? Yeah, in phonics session, we learned recap the sounds X, I and Z. We did an one activity, right? After that, whole words. We learned some new whole words, right? Yes. See this. At, there, by, sit, so, much. Yeah. After that, reading and listening comprehension, we read one story. Do you remember? Yes. For that story, you have to read in your home, okay? Next, grammar part. We draw naming words. What is that? Person, place, animal and thing. Draw one example for that. Okay. So in your home you will write your notebook one picture. Draw and label. Okay. Next, writing and speaking expression. We learnt upper and lower case letters. Right? What is that? K, L, M, N and O. This is the uppercase letter. Next, lowercase letters K, L, M, N and O. Right? Great, Kutima. Now I will give you your homework. You have to complete your worksheet. Okay? From whole word session. After that, writing and speaking expression. Upper and lower case letters. After that, take your rough note. You will write upper and lower case letters, each one line for that letters K, L, M, N, O. Okay. After, read that story in your home. Okay, my dear kids. After that, draw and labels one example for naming words. Okay, cuties. Bye. Thank you. Happy learning.